Hello Magic Band mates, it's John here. I recently uploaded a Disney Magic Band ringtone to YouTube and I've been inundated with inquiries about how on earth you get this on your iPhone. There is a way to do this without requiring a computer or going through iTunes. You can do it on software that comes with your phone. So to do this you'll just need the Voice Memo app and of course GarageBand. I'm going to say GarageBand, in my neck of the woods we'd say GarageBand. I'm going to assume you've got no prior knowledge of how to do this, so strap yourself in, buckle up and get ready for a bumpy ride. Here's my iPhone. Yeah, I do know I've got an awful lot of unanswered text messages. It's a constant source of embarrassment, but here we go. Go to YouTube, so locate the app, give it a click and then open the video. And underneath the video you'll see a little triangle. Click on that to open the description, scroll down and find the Dropbox link and click on there. That will open up a selection of browsers. I'm going to choose Safari, but choose your browser of your choice. That will take you to the Dropbox page and you click on Continue to Website. And there we are. Now up in the top right corner you'll see these three little dots. Click on those and you'll get some choices. Click on Direct Download. And that will do its thing. That will now download the file to your iPhone. Now at the bottom of the page there's a Share button. Click on this Share icon and then scroll through the choices and choose Voice Memos and click on that. Okay, now you're going to name the file, so let's call it Magic Band Ringtone. Let's be very original. And click on Post. Okay, now you can quit out of this and find your Voice Memos app and go into that. And there is our ringtone. So let's see how that sounds. Okay, now we'll turn our attention to these three dots here. Click on those and from the drop down list select Save to Files. Now I'm going to select on my iPhone and from the sub menu GarageBand for iOS and then GarageBand Files. When that's selected just click on Save in the corner. Okay, it's saving it now. Fantastic, now you can quit out of this and open GarageBand. Okay, first thing, make sure the Browse button is selected here at the bottom and select on my iPhone. Now I'm going to select the GarageBand folder here and then go ahead and create song. Now you want the audio recorder. There are a lot of choices here. So that might not be the first one that's open, but you need to find this one and tap into it. Just tap the page. And we're in. Now your first job is to click on the little metronome icon here, just to shut it off. You don't want that. And then over here to the left, we're going to click on this little timeline icon. That will open up your timeline. There we are. Now over here on the right, click on the loop icon up here. Click on there and make sure you've got Files selected. See this tab at the top that says Files, and there's our ringtone. Now you're going to put your finger on the ringtone and drag it into the timeline. Just drag it upwards and you're there. Now in the top left corner there's a little arrow. Click on there and just select My Songs. It drops down and there you are, you've got My Song. So now you're going to click on Select at the top right corner and select My Song. Now down in the bottom left corner there's another Share button. So click on the Share button and it will ask you what you want. So click on Ringtone right in the middle. Now you can name the ringtone. So here we go again. Let's call that Magic Band Tone. And then click on Export. It's exporting that as a ringtone now. We're nearly done. And then click Use Sound As, and of course you're going to select Standard Text Tone. And you are done. And just to prove it, we can quit out of this. And if you go to your settings, find the settings, there it is. Click on Sounds and Haptics. And if you go down, your text tone will now be the Magic Band tone. And you've done it. Well done for sticking with it. I hope this has been of help to you. If it has, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, or leave a message in the comments. And leave a message in the comments if you know a better way of doing this, if I've got it all wrong, or if you know how to do it on an Android phone, because I haven't got a clue with them. And I'm sure it's a lot easier than an iPhone. So that's my little video. It took a lot longer to make than I thought, but I hope it's been of help to you.